Hey guys, welcome back to RC311 Studios, where we do RC product reviews, and once a week we give one lucky subscriber the chance to win the product that we're reviewing. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and definitely make sure you hit the notification bell, because that will inform you when we're uploading new videos to YouTube, or when we have uploaded new videos to YouTube. We're still at current, I think we've got 4 or 5 product review giveaways still up for grabs. We've got the Hot Wheels drone, the Hot Wheels helicopter, the Lightning McQueen 112, the radio controlled car. We've got the Ducati 1.6 motorcycle, and we've also got the amphibious remote control all-terrain vehicle. This will be our 6th product giveaway. It's the Air Hogs. It's brought to you by Spin Master. It's the Extreme Airboarder, also changes into a paraglider. When we looked at it, originally the suggested retail was £40. We saw it on special at the Entertainer in Welwyn Garden City. We picked this up for just shy of £15. Also recently went into Argos to look for some more products to product review for you guys and give away, and we saw it at Argos for £15. So take this into consideration, guys. We're gonna do a quick unboxing, we're gonna do a review and give you guys some run times and just let you know exactly what the product's about and how durable it is, if it can take, you know, a bit of a beating. It says it's only for indoors, like it says the 2 modes in its extreme airboard mode and its paraglide mode. It's 2.4, shows you the little figure. You can see in relation to my finger the size. It's got a durable exo frame when it's in paraglider mode and a very sturdy board design. They tell you that the different stunts that it can do in its trick stunt board mode: front side 720, barrel roll, and backside flip. The trick mode, whilst it's in paraglide mode: sidewinder, evader, and cyclone. To be honest, already looking at the product and the boxing, it looks like a really cool bit of kit. It's telling you it's engineered for safety, and it's super strong, it's tough frame, easy stunt button, and it's 2.4 gigahertz. That's it, guys. Let's get straight into the unboxing. But like I said before, check out the other videos if you haven't already, because I'm pretty sure there's still 5 products up for grabs. This will be the 6th one. And then, guys, and hit that notification bell, and don't forget to share and like and subscribe. Let's get into the unboxing.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
After that quick unboxing, this is actually what you get in the box. You've got your little figure. These bits are for when he's in paraglide mode. Obviously you've got the board itself and your hand controller, USB charge lead. I've just taken out the instruction manual in English. It comes in every other language, which is great. And then it gives you a few little spares. It's got your locking tool if you want to, change the propellers. Gives you 4 spare propellers, and then what it does, it gives you 2 precision sticks for the actual hand controller. So I'll just show you how they switch out quick. And it'll be personal preference which ones you prefer. And they just slot back in. It's that simple. So it's personal preference. Let's just switch that back to how it actually came in the actual box. So pop that back on, put that back in with the other few spares that we got with the actual product. Okay, guys, so looking at the hand controller, when it's in different modes, because it's saying that it's got 2 different modes, you've got your, obviously your extreme board mode, and then you've got your paraglide mode. They're saying make sure that that is actually switched over depending on which mode you want to fly in, because it will make a lot of difference to the handling characteristics. So make sure that that's obviously clicked over to paraglide mode or board mode, whichever one you're preferring to fly in. Okay, there's your on off button. There's a takeoff and land button, and then these are your trims, forwards and backwards. So obviously if the actual vehicle, let's say he's in board mode and he's drifting backwards, push it forwards, and that will help the actual board to steady, and so it doesn't drift back or forwards. And it's the same with left and right. If it's drifting to the right, trim it to the left, and if it's drifting to the left, trim it to the right, and the same with forwards and backwards. So that's a quick overview of the hand controller. Other than the stunt button, it has 3 different stunts that it can perform, and I know that you push it, it does one specific stunt, then you push and hold to the left, it'll do another specific stunt, push it, hold, and to the right, and it'll do another specific stunt in board mode and in paraglide mode. So remember that, guys. As far as all this requires, it is ready to run. All you need to do is push that in and slide the actual battery cover back, and all it requires is 2 AA batteries. So we're going to pop those in, nice fresh new batteries, pop those back in, that slides in, and that just, you'll feel it, it'll just clip into position, if you can see that. So that's actually quite a good little feature. I do like that. No need for a screwdriver or a safety screw. That's a good little feature. So that's that. If it's in board mode, let's have a quick look at the actual, okay, toes go in the front and he just clips back. It's really that simple. Yeah, I think it's a little bit more, haven't actually put it into paraglide mode, but would have thought they go there and just clip in. Just pull that down. Thank goodness I've got my glasses on for these tiny little things. And then all I can imagine is he must push in the back somewhere. Yeah, there's a little hole in the back. Oh, I'm telling you, not the easiest thing. But you get my drift. Okay, so, and then in the sides of his hands, I honestly cannot see those holes. They're tiny. And I've got my glasses on, so this is, yeah, this is, I might need to come back to you guys on this if I can't get, yep, okay, that's cool. So that's in, lift his arms up. So I'm just showing you once he's in paraglide mode. Okay, I thought that one was gonna go in a little easier. Come on. Yeah, cool, guys, so that's it. Oh, pops back out. At this rate, I'll be flying him in board mode all the time. Okay, so the board, that then, I can only imagine, we're gonna do this and he's gonna come back off. That clips into there, and that pushes into there. I just don't want to break it. Oh, turn it sideways. Turn it sideways. Yeah, a lot easier, guys. That doesn't feel that free. Already I feel that I'll probably run this little guy more in board mode, but there, he's ready to rock and roll. I can only imagine when he actually takes off that you're gonna be holding him with your 2 fingers, your thumb and your finger, and just let him take off from there. But we'll have a look at that later anyway. So that's him. We'll just have a quick look over the actual manual. Okay, I'm just gonna actually just clip this back off and I'll tell you why, just so you can have a better look at the board in the sense of seeing. Okay guys, as you can see guys, there's your charge port. So you've got your little USB lead, that would just plug straight into there, and that will go then obviously into your iMac or your computer, whatever the case. Let's just have a quick look at this. That will go into there. Red LED light will come on, meaning it's charging, and what they've said is the red LED light will go off once it is fully charged. So that's that. Other side, you've got your on-off switch, so that would just push over and that would be on. Okay, you can see just down the side there is a red LED light flashing, and that's all because it hasn't been bound with the hand controller. If we push the hand controller, is it bound already? Is it bound? So both flashing. Still flashing. I think if you do have a problem with the binding, the pairing, what I normally do is I turn the hand controller off and turn it back on and hold them quite close together to see that they pair. There you go guys, so solid red LED light on the board and on the hand controller. Right guys, let's get straight to some flying. I had heard that you were getting different run times from when he was in paraglide mode to when he was in board mode. And then also don't forget, when you are in board mode, make sure that is switched over to board mode. And equally, if you're paraglide mode, make sure you've switched it over to paraglide mode. All right, guys, let's get to some flying. Guys, don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comments in the comments box. Anything you'd like to see reviewed and given away, leave it in the comments box. As always, we're sticking to 3,000 views. Once it reaches 3,000 views, first guy or girl subscriber to leave a comment in the comments box will win the product. I'll post it out to you guys free of charge. Once again, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next product review.